Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I got a birthday entry, but I didn't get it before my giveaway, so I'm really sorry, Brian. But thank you so much. It's a very pretty card. Look at those butterflies. See? Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Oh, my bad. It fell. So, it says, wishing you the happiest of birthdays, Tina. Enjoy, Brian. Be indeed. And look at the little envelope. So I can't tell if it's a rose, pink rose, but it's a rose. It's really pretty. Ooh, look at that paper. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Happy birthday. And, ooh, it's got all Brian's information. Okay. He's CBD Crafts and More. Instagram, CB Crafts and More. TikTok, CB Crafts and More. Birthday is, I want to say this says November 4th, but it's kind of hard to tell. But it's Brian from CB Crafts. So thanks, Brian. I'm so sorry you didn't get here in time. As always, guys, thank you again, Brian. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.